Welcome back to Crownpointe. Since last time you tuned in, I finished all these sheaths here. I got clips on the backs of them. And then we finished the heat treat on the two Damascus skinners I'm making right here. They came out pretty straight. I'm happy with them. I'm gonna finish the bevels today and clean them up. And hopefully there's no D-lambs in the couple spots I was worried about on the bevels. And then this one here is this is an axe for the Renaissance axe. I call her Hatchet, if you will. But yeah, I got the handle down around it, and I'm down to hand shaping this. I'll probably do that today, and then start staining and finishing the handle, and then I got to re-etch it. And then this bad boy here was this is mine. I didn't like the handle, so I went to go cut it off, and I dug in the side of it right there. It looks pretty bad. I figure, oh well, I'll just fill it with weld. I'll weld it up, and then it's just a handle. Weld it up and smooth it down. So I had it just like this, and I was like, okay. So I went to go put it down, and then I hit it on the grinder right there, and I took the tip off. So the tip off this blade. So I'm gonna put this one aside for now. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up cleaning these two up right now. The two skinners. Hopefully those don't get bigger. Hopefully those don't get bigger as I grind. Alright, so I got done finishing the bevels on these. I had a couple, it looked like they were delaminations. They actually came out pretty good. They all came out looking good. So next on this, I have to, I'm going to get with the customers, I don't know, probably this week or something like that. And they're going to pick their pins and their handle materials. So yeah, these are good to go. So after the handle's done, I'm gonna dip it back in the ferric chloride, because I just polished the spine of this, and I think she wants it all black. So, yeah, after this I'll ferric chloride and then it'll be done. Put an edge on it, and I think she's gonna have her belt. She's gotta bring her belt here, so I can fix it to her belt with a sheath. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you guys with the rest of this, but I'm just sanding the handle down. It's coming out nicely. But I take it all the way down to, I don't know, 1500 grit, and then I still gotta ferric chloride it, dip it in ferric chloride to turn this black after, and then yeah, then wait for her belt, Renaissance belt, and I'm gonna fix it. Hey guys, thanks for watching Crownpointe Customs. Today, kind of a recap. We finished the bevels on these here. Got the D-lambs out, they're coming out nicely. Next step on these, I gotta get the pins and the hand material the customers want for their skinners. And I'm not gonna bore you with this, but I took the handle down and I'm just keep sanding it down and refinishing it. And when you guys check back, this should be done. And these, we'll be etching these. So we'll get to see the color come out. So thanks for tuning in and subscribing, and come back next time. Thanks for watching Crownpointe Customs.